So here are the things I'm going to be using. Here is my ginger, and here is my rosmarin, and here is my 2 cups of cloves, and here is my mint leaf. So mint leaf is very nice, and I have this plant in my kitchen. I use it to cook, like take just some pieces of it to make my food, and I'm also going to be taking some pieces of it now to make hair. So I'm going to take some pieces from it. So this is after I chop the ginger. This is how it is. So I'm going to transfer it to the pot, and here's the rosmarin. I'm also put it there first. So here is the plant. So this is how I'm going to leave it, and yeah, to start coming up again. One amazing thing about this leaf, the smell alone is amazing. Like, I really love the smell. So this is how I'm going to cook it. So this is the quantity of water I'll be needing until it's cooked. So after I finish cooking it, before I'll be adding one last thing to the water. Okay, this thing is amazing. Like it makes your hair grow and long, and it makes your hair full. If you have a place where like you are losing your hair, you can just be spraying it on it, and it helps a lot, guys. Trust me, it helps a lot. Like for example, my husband started having bad hair, and I started spraying it on that particular place, and surprisingly the hair is coming up. So with this combination, you are good to go. Just try and be spraying it daily, just like you are watering your flower. So be spraying it daily, and you will see the results. So this is how the quantity of the water, like, is 3 cups of water. So I'm going to transfer it now onto the gas. So I use this for my children too. So I'm going to be back when it's ready. Here is if you'll be watching my video, you will notice that this is what I always use to spray my kids' hair. So I have just little in it, so I'm going to be adding to it. So I'm going to store this, and which I'll be adding here whenever this one is empty, so I will use to refill it. What I talked about when I said the last thing I'm going to add to it, we all know how coconut oil is very important. This coconut organic oil is what I made it myself. So, and I think I'll be making this tutorial how to make it yourself. So what I'm going to do, see this little space now, I'm going to use it to fill it. So it's like this now. What I normally do before I spray it on my daughter's hair, I will first of all shake it to make sure it's well mixed. So the oil in it, we all know oil is very important in our hair. So which is the other water helps your hair grow, and the oil strengthens the hair. Also, all we want is for our hair to be healthy and grow. You see, so this is how I spray my kids' hair whenever I wash their hair. So I'm going to spray my daughter's hair now. So guys, let's get to it. Let me show you how I use this.